Hello everyone. Today I am going to be filming, we are going to be filming, forgot you were there for a minute. We are going to be filming.
Easily done.
We're going to be filming our annual Christmas gift giving video. This is our 5th year in a row of doing this. Can you believe that? And we almost didn't do it this year because we struggled so much to find presents. I feel like we've bought each other every single novelty, nerdy, jokey gift that there is on the whole of the internet. Like, we were looking on the websites that we normally use and we were both really struggling to find new things. So what I did is I gave us some categories that we could pick from. That doesn't make sense. So we got each other 6 presents and there were 6 categories for each one. So we've got something little, something useful, something jokey, something fun, something rude, and something cute. How did you do? I don't think I did very well. How did you do?
So well.
Really?
No.
Oh. But yeah, hopefully this video makes you guys smile, or I don't know. Yeah, that's about it really. I was gonna say make you laugh, but we're not very funny. Should we just begin?
Let's begin.
Category number 1, something little. Not necessarily in size, but I just meant like something that's really little, kind of pointless, just a real little stocking stuffer kind of gift.
Anything's little to you. Have you ever watched one of your videos describing stuff?
Sorry, I didn't know this was a roast me video. It's true. I do describe everything as little. Does that mean you've been watching my videos? I didn't think you did that. Who wants to go first? Should we grab our something littles?
Let's do that.
You could have grabbed it.
It's also not true.
Mine was true. Who wants to go first? Well, should we swap them? This literally feels like a ball bag. Are you sure he's still there? Okay.
It's detachable.
Honestly. You go first.
I'll open mine, shall I? Ooh.
A giggle! So it's a chocolate bar, but it's been edited, I guess. The wrapper's been edited. Why am I describing it? It's your gift. You go, girl.
Well, it looks like the inner of a Galaxy bar.
Yeah, I wonder what chocolate it is. Have a little look.
But it's Twix and Kit Kat. I think someone has made a load of them
and put them on
bought
Galaxy
a load of
chocolate.
Galaxy bars and swapped them over and then sold it.
Is that allowed? Sophie buying illegal product. Right, I'm now going to open my ball bag that when you go like that, it vibrates. It literally vibrates. Okay.
I reckon you'd find it satisfying.
It's a ball bag with tights on. It's one of those. I said I wanted one of these earlier this year. Is that why you did it? You remembered? Earlier this year, I want to say back at the start of the year, and I said to Alex, I was like, God, I want one of them. That looks good to squeeze. And you've remembered all the way through this year. That's amazing, because your memory.
Yeah, but that really stuck with me. Guys,
can you see? You squeeze it and all of the jelly stuff squeezes out of the netting. How satisfying is that? I actually really like that. Wait. It was lighting up though, but why is it now not lighting up? It's a disco. No, I actually really like it. I need to shut up. I'm delirious, by the way. I don't sleep anymore. I don't know when I last slept, so just let me be. Category number 2, something useful. Grab your something useful. I grabbed you. Okay.
Wait, I was going to open that. That's not for me.
You're also delirious because you've been at work from 6 a.m. till... Did you get back at 8? We're both just a bit out of it. Anyway, there you go. Oh, I meant 8 p.m. by the way.
Yeah, I didn't work a 2-hour day. Oh, so hard. A beard, buddy.
Right, let me explain. Well, do you know?
I know why you've done that. Because whenever I shave, I get it everywhere.
Yes. And do you know what? I feel like it's whenever I've done the deep clean. Ugh. Did my voice want to sound any wetter? I can't stop laughing. Whenever I've done the deep clean of the bathroom and the sink is sparkling, it's always then that you do your shave and I come in and it's just covered in beard. It's covered in beard and it's so disheartening when you've just cleaned it. So I thought this would be helpful. Do you want to get it out? I want to see how big it is. Oh, it's a good size, yeah. So you basically suction these onto your mirror and then it pulls it outwards. So it's a big bib over the sink like that.
This should be great for Christmas dinner.
There we go. So it's like this.
Yeah.
And then all of your trimmings will land in there. I think that's a great idea. Okay. That is something useful.
Mm-hmm. Because you like taking pictures of Moon.
I've never seen anything like this. Take the perfect selfie with your cat. So I'm guessing, yeah, she's got it clipped onto her phone.
Yeah.
And then when you've got your phone out to take the picture, the cat's going to look at the phone. That's really clever.
It's pretty useful, right? It saves
That
me
is useful.
going like this.
Whenever
Back the phone.
That is exactly it. Whenever I've wanted to take a picture with Moon, I'm always like, Ali, can you like jangle something so he actually looks? I like that. I will actually get use out of it. You're playing with your sack.
Always.
It's concerning how much your sack has come up so far in this video.
It's come up a little more than it normally does.
Yeah. So the next category is something jokey. So I really struggle with this one. I feel like yours... I mean, it's kind of a joke, but it's kind of like a proper present. I think it's quite cool. Okay, you're going to open it again.
I was going to do it again.
You're such a donut. Okay, swap. It's not really a joke. It's not like funny, but I just thought it was quite cool.
How to tell if your cat is plotting to kill you. There's a pull-out poster inside. Let's have a look. Oh, it's got pictures.
It's basically just a jokey book. Like, it's not serious. There's loads of little... Let me show them. Sorry, I snatched.
You did snatch.
I'm sorry.
It's very rude.
There's lots of little pictures in it. It looks like this. Oh, the smell of a new book.
New book smell.
Have a good waft. And I just thought it was kind of funny because Moon
Almost
is a little bit of
definitely
a beast. He
I'm
does
waiting
attack your arm a lot.
For the final sort of showdown.
So at least now you're prepared. You'll know what's coming. Do you like it?
I do. Do you know what this is? Almost like a comic book. I'm actually going to read this.
I know. We'll actually flick through it. I think it'll be funny.
Cool. Thank you.
Okay. My joke is floppy. Feels like clothing.
It's a good guess. It's a joke because it's so cringy and you would never wear it.
That is really cringy. It looks like the ears on my headphones. Wait, they are headphones. I think they're supposed to be the Razer Kraken headphones that I have.
Probably
with kitty ears.
What they're taking the piss out of.
I think that's what it is. And then it's got a keyboard, and then at the bottom, do you know what it is? It's the yes. It says, yes, comma, I'm a gamer girl. My insides are always refluxing, but they just did it a little more than normal. Do you know what though? I actually will wear it. It's a nice quality t-shirt. It feels nice. I'd wear that as a pyjama top. I wouldn't wear it out because yeah, it's a little bit cringy. That is a good joke. Are you trying to say that that's what I think I am? Because I bought those headphones.
Yeah.
What have we got? Something fun. Okay, this was actually the one that I found the hardest. I don't know about you. Ready?
Yeah. That actually made the yawn disappear.
That was really strange. Yeah.
And it's gone.
So yeah, here's your something fun.
Here's your something fun.
Oh, it's so fun. But yours isn't fun. I'm going to be honest. It's not fun. I really struggled.
Really fun. I will be let down if it's not really fun.
It's not. Because I feel like I've got you all of the novelty game things in previous videos.
Okay.
So it's a maze, and you've got to get the ball to the end.
Like a three... Oh.
And then it releases the £10 note.
How?
So that's the starting point, and then you have to get the ball all the way through the maze to the finish point, and then when the ball hits that little latch, it releases the box and the tenner flops out. So when you get it out, I'll have that back.
Is that right?
No, you can have the tenner. You can have it. Do you want to keep working on that and I'll open mine, or...?
Yeah, go for it. I'll have it done by the time you're done. Okay, so it's a little game. Alright, so it flashes colours.
Did you get this? Because I'm always banging on about how good my memory is.
Yeah, and I keep saying it's actually not that good.
Alexander, are you kidding me? Are you actually kidding me?
I mean, it's quite good. Don't get me wrong.
I have this memory thing, yeah, where if you give me an event that's happened in the past 5 years, within like 3 seconds, I can give you a month and a year that it happened. Sometimes even a date. If you give me something random, it just pops up. I can see like a little timeline in my head and it slots on the date. But this will test it. Let's see if I actually have a good memory. This is short-term memory though. I feel like I might not be so good with that, but we'll try. Look at us with our something fun. Hello.
Yeah, you did better than I probably
It kind of reminds me of the Simon Says thing in Among Us. I like that. I will be playing with that. I will be getting my memory up to scratch.
Yeah, it does.
Oh no.
I promise you.
Way!
There we go. Tenner.
Thank you very much. No, you can keep that. The next category is something rude. Okay. We did use the same website for 90% of this, but how... I feel like there's no way we've got the same thing, because why would you get me this? I know what this is. Why would you get me this? But why? Should we do it at the same time?
All right.
I'm so confused.
I need to sneeze.
You can do that.
Okay, they're not the same thing.
But that's so freaking weird because we both bought each other inflatables. So basically, the one that I got Ali is a instant inflatable lunchbox. Why have they called it a lunchbox? It says, show your banana, not your bean. Add some meat to your lunchbox. It's basically meant to be like an enhancement thing. So it inflates, you put it down your trousers and it looks like you've got a big package, a big package. I'm not implying that you need a bigger one. It just made me laugh. Wait, what have I got? Inflatable instant boob job. My one says, the secret to a fab cleavage. Wait.
Hang on. They're just the same thing in a different tin box.
Oh my goodness. Are you serious? They're exactly the same thing. I've just got two and you got one. Please may you blow up my breasts. Are they exactly the same? I'm just going to place yours on the top there.
No, they are slightly different
There we
shapes
go.
to give them credit.
These look a bit more like boobs. How am I going to fit
They're
this?
like little rugby balls.
Ali, you should have told me not to wear a tight top because I'm not going to get this down.
That one's better. Yeah, that looks really good.
Okay. Does it work? Gonna test yours?
I'm not. No.
No. You can just place yours there.
There's no room.
That's so funny though that we literally picked inflatable things. It's because I felt like that was the last rude thing left that we hadn't already done. Because I feel like we've done a lot of rude things before, and that's the only thing that I saw that I was like, I'm sure this wasn't on here in previous years. But yeah, for a minute I thought you'd got me an inflatable lunchbox thing.
It did look that way.
I was like, why though? Hang on, why have we not tried these on you? In they go.
Scratchy.
Just fell.
And they just fall down.
The final gift, the category was something cute. So, this is your something cute. It's sizable. It's a decent size.
I thought that was bigger.
Oh, okay. How big were you thinking it was going to be?
Maybe like that big.
Oh, okay, were you a bit disappointed?
Yeah.
I feel like the vibe of it you might quite like.
Yeah, that's cool.
So it's basically a frame, and then there's a little print in it, and it says on it, wait, what does it say on it? Are you admiring the woodwork?
Yes.
It says on it where we met, November 2010, because I feel like we met for the first time in November 2010. And then at the bottom it says Alton, England, because that's where we met, because that's where we went to college. Can I say that online? Yeah, because we don't go there anymore. So that is the coordinates for Alton College.
Ah, that's actually, I really like that.
I thought you'd like the vibe of it, like the wood.
No, I do really like that, actually.
I'm glad. That was like my only one that was kind of like a proper present. Like everything else was just a bit rubbish. But I thought, you know what, this is like a proper gift. You're still admiring the wood. Yeah. I wish he looked at me the way he looked at wood. So this is my cute item. I'm guessing it's like a plushie. It feels squishy, so. It's a little Among Us person. That is very cute. And of course it's the pink one, because if the pink has not been taken, I will be the pink one. That is really cute. So you thought that was going to be like a bigger size.
Yeah, I thought it'd be like that big.
That's so funny. But the fact that it's small makes it cuter, I think.
Yeah.
I had a feeling like somewhere in this video I bet he's going to get me something Among Us themed, because that's kind of been like my, I was going to say my thing of the year, like my game of the year. But I've barely played it myself because I've had no one to play it with. But I have watched a disgusting amount of hours of people streaming this game, like a lot. So yeah, it's definitely been kind of like my thing of the year, but I've just barely played it. No, I really like him. Tench. So those are all of the presents opened. Which one is your favourite? I think I know which one's going to be your favourite.
The last one, the frame.
Yeah, it's obviously going to be the inflatable penis. My favourite is probably my cute one as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. I feel like we didn't do too bad. They maybe weren't as good as normal, but it was tough. Things are tough out there on findmeagift.com, but we tried our best, and I hope you enjoyed the video. This is my last video before Christmas. It is. I hope you guys have an amazing Christmas. I know like it's not the same though for most people, is it? So I feel bad saying that, because for a lot of people their Christmas has been ruined. But I hope you all still have a really lovely day, and that was my hug to all of you. Hug everyone that needs a hug. I'm gonna go now, but thank you all for watching. Give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Goodbye.
Bye.